Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a message on Instagram while using your PC, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. With the latest Instagram update, enabling notifications for messages is now quicker and more convenient than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. At the very bottom of the menu, you'll see the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or lines. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences. On the Settings page, find and click on Notifications. This section is your control center for all alerts you receive from Instagram. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several options. What you want is Push Notifications. Click on Push Notifications to open up all the available settings for your account. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Messages from Individual and Group Chats. Here you'll see options to customize how you receive notifications for your Instagram messages. To make sure you get notified every time someone sends you a message, select On. That's it. You've now enabled notifications for messages on Instagram while using your PC. With this setting turned on, you'll receive alerts for both individual and group chat messages, so you can stay connected and respond quickly, no matter where you are. If you ever want to adjust your notification preferences, just head back to the same Settings menu and make any changes you need. This new update makes it simple to stay in the loop and never miss an important conversation. Now you're all set to keep up with your messages on Instagram right from your computer. Happy chatting! From now on, you'll get timely alerts whenever you have a reminder, helping you stay on top of your important tasks and events right from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to stay organized on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more connected Instagram experience.